Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect wirelessly through Android Auto. This is a common question that I get. It's really important to note that it's kind of a new system here. So most cars, if you have a newer car, you're going to be able to connect wirelessly through Android Auto. If your car is older, like 2022 or older, you're most likely going to need your cord. So this is a 2023. We're going to go through how to connect wirelessly. Let's get started. So the first thing that I did was I connected my phone to the Bluetooth. So that's step one. I've already done that just to save on time here. And you can see my phone when I go to my connections is connected. Now, whether you're using an Apple CarPlay or Android, today we're focusing on the wireless Android Auto. You can see it's up here. So my Pixel 6 is connected and I just click Android Auto. And I didn't download my phone book, but you can just select it here and then it's gonna come up. So would you like to use Android Auto with this device? I just follow the prompts, I hit start, and then it's gonna deactivate all the other devices. Just hit yes. And then it's just gonna take a minute to set up here. Okay, so it asked me to unlock my phone. So I've just unlocked my phone right here. And then I just have to continue the setup. So I just hit continue. And now my Android Auto should start up now. So you can see I have my Google Maps, my Spotify here, and then you can just go through the apps normally that you would have on your phone. So no cord, it's not magic. Most new 2023s now are gonna come with this wireless Android Auto. Android Auto was a little behind, but that's just a quick tutorial for you guys on how you can set it up. So there you have it, guys. If you guys are having trouble connecting, I have a full tutorial video and troubleshooting video of what to do if your phone's not connecting in the Android Auto. I'm gonna put it in the description below. And if we helped you connect, give us a subscribe, drop a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.